Are you looking for a game changer in your digital marketing strategy? Look no further than Google Trends. With over 1 billion monthly active users, the ability to analyze search trends for specific products, services, or industries, this free online tool provides valuable insights into changing consumers' needs and preferences. My name is Alejandra. I'm a community management coordinator at Whiteshare Media, and today I will share with you all there is to know about Google Trends. So let's get started. This amazing tool provides real-time data on what people are searching for, allowing us to measure search intent on a specific topic, in a specific location, and at a specific time. By analyzing search trends for particular products, services, or industries, marketers can gain valuable insights into changing consumers' needs and preferences, and tailor their marketing strategy accordingly. Whether you're a content creator looking for popular topics and keywords, or conducting market research to analyze demand in different regions or countries, Google Trends is your go-to tool for staying ahead of the curve. How to use Google Trends to its full potential. To make the most of this tool, there are 5 easy steps you can follow. Number 1, begin by selecting a topic using the free Trends Explore tool. You can choose to either search for an individual term or explore the group topics to get a more comprehensive view of what people are searching for. Number 2, look at the interest over time graph, which displays the popularity of your chosen topic over time. This graph can help you identify trends and patterns in search behaviors, such as seasonal spikes or long-term changes in interest. Number 3, to understand the numbers behind Google Trends, it's important to understand indexing and normalization. Indexing compares the popularity of your topic to the overall volume of searches, while normalization adjusts your differences in search volume between regions or time periods. Number 4, location data is another important aspect of Google Trends. By exploring this data, you can gain a better understanding of where your audience is located and how their search behavior varies across different regions. Number 5, finally, pay attention to the top and rising searches of your chosen topics. These insights can help you identify emerging trends or topics that are gaining traction, allowing you to adjust your digital marketing strategy accordingly. Now let's check what's new. Google Trends has just launched a new improved website, making it easier than ever to access its wealth of resources. The homepage now features real-time trending topics, updated every hour and accompanied by links to relevant news articles, allowing you to stay on top of the latest buzz. Plus, the site highlights what's trending in your local country or region and shares trends from around the globe to spark your curiosity. But that's not all. The new site also provides easy access to tutorials and resources to help you make the most out of the data you find. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, you can quickly get up to speed with topics like what is Google Trends, basic of Google Trends, understanding the data, and advanced Google Trends. Closing thoughts. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, keeping up with the latest trends is crucial for any marketer who wants to stay ahead of the game. And with the new and improved Google Trends sites, it's never been easier to get access to the most up-to-date and relevant information. So why wait? Start exploring today and discover the power of Google Trends for yourself. Thank you for watching our full video. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notifications bell. See you in the next one.